Hello friends, welcome back to Tech with IQ. Today, we will teach you how to factory reset your Android phone. For this procedure, go to the settings of your phone. Scroll down. Click on System. Now select Reset, then choose Factory Data Reset from the three options shown on the screen. Now, this setting alerts you that it will erase data from all your internal storage, including your media and account histories. Make sure that you have saved all important details. Now reset your phone. It is a second alert to ensure that you really want to reset your phone. Finally, click on Reset Phone at the bottom. By clicking on it, your phone will be reset. Thank you for watching. Please click on the subscribe button if you want to get updated with more helpful information like this.